Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started. Using online surveys as a passive income stream involves participating in surveys on various platforms to earn money or rewards without actively investing significant time or effort. When engaging in online surveys for passive income, individuals typically register with survey websites or apps and provide their demographic information. These platforms then match participants with surveys that align with their profiles. Participants can complete surveys in their spare time, at their own pace, and from the comfort of their own homes. Online surveys can be considered a passive income source because they allow individuals to earn money without the need for constant active involvement. Once registered and qualified for surveys, participants can receive survey invitations via email or notifications within the survey platform. By dedicating a small portion of their time to completing surveys, individuals can accumulate earnings or rewards over time. However, it is important to note that the income potential from online surveys as a passive income source can vary based on factors such as the availability of surveys, demographic requirements, and the participants' dedication to completing surveys regularly. Swagbucks, www.swagbucks.com. Swagbucks is a popular website that offers various ways to earn money, including online surveys. Users can sign up for free and participate in surveys provided by different market research companies. Each survey completed earns users Swagbucks that can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. Swagbucks also offers other earning opportunities, such as watching videos, playing games, and shopping online. SurveyJunkie, www.surveyjunkie.com. SurveyJunkie is a platform that connects users with companies looking for consumer opinions. Users can sign up and complete profile surveys to match with relevant survey opportunities. Each completed survey earns users points that can be converted into cash via PayPal or e-gift cards. SurveyJunkie has a user-friendly interface and offers a wide range of surveys on various topics. Inbox Dollars, www.inboxdollars.com. Inbox Dollars is a website that allows users to earn money by completing online surveys, watching videos, playing games, and more. Users can sign up for free and start taking surveys to accumulate cash rewards. The platform also offers additional earning opportunities, such as reading emails, participating in trial offers, and redeeming coupons. Once users reach a minimum threshold, they can request payment via check or e-gift cards. Vindale Research, www.vindale.com. Vindale Research is a survey panel that offers users the opportunity to earn money by participating in online surveys and product evaluations. Users can sign up for free and receive survey invitations based on their demographic profile. Each completed survey earns users cash, which can be withdrawn via PayPal. Vindale Research also occasionally provides product testing opportunities where users can receive free products to review. Toluna, www.toluna.com. Toluna is a community-based survey platform that offers users the chance to earn rewards by participating in surveys and providing feedback on various products and services. Users can sign up for free and participate in surveys, polls, and discussions to earn points. These points can be redeemed for cash via PayPal, gift cards, or used to enter sweepstakes and prize draws. Toluna also has a vibrant community where users can interact with other members and share their opinions on different topics. Please note that while these websites provide opportunities to make money through online surveys, The amount you can earn may vary depending on factors such as the number of available surveys, your demographics, and your level of engagement. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Thanks for watching.